Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, and for today's recipe we're going to make special banana cake. I've been baking banana cake and banana bread for quite a long time now, so I always consider and highly recommend you to use this type of banana, this green banana, because it gives more strong delicious flavor to your tasty desserts. And this is 6 to 7 times cheaper also compared to this yellow banana, because this will cost you only 10 pesos per kilo, while the yellow banana will cost you 60 to 70 pesos per kilo. So before we start, please don't forget to click the subscribe button below and let me take a bite of this yellow banana because they look so delicious. Tastes good. Actually, I don't eat green banana. I only eat yellow banana.